kitchen. Today in the kitchen we're cooking chicken kebabs. So let's get at it. I'm gonna show you all of the things that we need. It's real easy, it's very simple, and you don't need much. We first of all have our skewers that I have soaking in water. And I'm gonna show, here's our chicken. We have our tomatoes, yellow peppers, green peppers, red peppers, a red onion, and some fresh corn. And last thing we need is some Italian dressing to marinate everything. So while our skewers are soaking, I'm gonna finish cutting up our vegetables. And as you can see, they're basically all cut up the same size. So I'm gonna cut up this onion and you wanna cut everything close to the same size to make sure that everything cooks evenly. So I want my onions to be about the same size as everything else. So as you can see, they're about the same size. Next, I'm going to cut up my corn, and I also want it to be in small sizes so that everything cooks evenly. So I'm just gonna make some very small slices of the corn. See, make them real thin. Then I'm going to come and cut up my chicken, which is also going to be small pieces, so the chicken cooks evenly as well. So now I have all of my vegetables cut up, including my corn. See the small pieces that I cut them in, so they'll be easy to stick the skewer in and they'll cook evenly with everything else. So next thing I'm going to cut up is my chicken. I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I've cleaned my chicken, and now I'm going to just cut it up into small little squares, and that way the chicken will also cook evenly. I want them to be small. Okay, just small little squares, and they will cook evenly as well. Now that everything's chopped up evenly, here's the fun part. We get to put the meat and the vegetables on the skewer. Now I soak the skewers in water because we're gonna grill our shish kebabs, and we don't want our wood to catch on fire. So if you soak it for about a half hour, then that makes it less likely that it would catch on fire. So I'm gonna start and put the peppers first. It doesn't matter what order you do this in. And then I'm gonna do some meat. And I'm gonna do an onion. And then I'm going to do a piece of corn. Push it like that, because the corn is a little harder to go through. So, there we go. I'm gonna try a tomato. Another piece of meat, and I like onions, so I'm going to top it all off with an onion. And there we go. I'm making small skewers today. I'm gonna keep them in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest of them, and then we'll marinate. So as you can see, I have skewered all of my chicken kebabs. And like I said, they don't have to be in any particular order. As long as there's the vegetables, the meat on there, it doesn't matter. So I am going to marinate. Basically, all I'm going to do is squirt some Italian dressing on each one. Turn around a little, make sure you're pressing on everything. I'm going to put a very little salt, and some black pepper, I'm going to turn them around again, make sure we get a little pepper on all sides. And I'm going to let them marinate for 1 hour. You can do more if you want. Let it marinate a little bit more, and then we're going to stick them on the grill. I'm going to cover this up, put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, then we're going to head toward the grill. Hi, and I'm back. My shish kebabs have marinated for over 1 hour, and my grill is heated, and I'm ready to do some cooking. So, as you can see, my shish kebabs are seasoned and ready to go on the grill. So I'm just going to put them all on the grill. Normally I would grease my grill, but because these have been sitting in Italian dressing, that's enough oil right there to keep them from sticking. So I only have 6 of these. I'm going to put them all right here together. And then I have my clean pan for when they're ready to come out. I'm going to put those in there, and I'm going to come sit over here and relax for about 15-20 minutes and check them again. It's time to flip them over. They've cooked on one side. We'll flip them over and let them cook on the other side. You may have to flip them a couple times, but right now, got a broken one. Look at that. A lot of stuff on that kebab. So we come back in another 20 minutes and flip them again. All right, guess what? My shish kebabs are ready. Come look at this. I've got my char grill marks on there. Look at those peppers where they've been grilled. That corn, nice and charred. So I'm going to take these and put them on a bed of rice and plate them up for you guys. So as you can see, the shish kebabs are ready. My rice is ready. I'm just gonna plate these up for you guys. I think 2 good. And there you go. Chicken shish kebabs cooked in Lavonne's kitchen. I just want to thank everybody for joining me on my first time in my new kitchen. Remember, hit that subscribe button, send us some ideas, some recipes you'd like to cook, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.